ng mga ibang chapter ng ating kapatiran. Kayo yung may sabihin nating angkop na kakayahan upang manguna at ituro yung tamang landas.
I would like to congratulate also every one of us who's here for keeping the Triskelion spirit alive.
We are Triskelions, and no Triskelion will ever be able to love a Triskelion other than a Triskelion.